Hey, welcome back to Kizzy's Place. I am at Walmart Garden Center. This Walmart has a very small garden center, but I decided I'm going to do some grocery shopping. No, not in the grocery section, but in the garden section. I came in here and I bought some starts for collard greens. I'm going to get 2 of those. I am also, can you check the price while I'm at it? Okay, it may seem like not worth it, but I think it will be. $5.98. I'm buying 2 collard green starts. This is the last of the mini mustard greens. I'm buying 2 mustard green starts. Two broccoli starts. And I'm going to get 2 red leaf lettuce starts. As you can see, there's 2 empty spaces there. I've already pulled mine out, and they are in my basket already. So I got the best ones I could find. There's the mustard greens, there is the broccoli, there are the collards, and there are the mustards. Because the green foods cause me to feel better. They're the best thing in my diet is green food. I also got some soil, and I'm going to plant these today. So I just thought I'd bring you along with me and show you what I'm doing, because I've been having a lot of difficulty trying to get my seeds to germinate. So I thought I'll just go ahead and get some starts and get them in the ground. I'm going to do a price comparison to determine, okay, what's my yield going to be if I spend $5.98 for these starts? What do they cost in the grocery area? I think I'll pop over there and check it out. Okay, so here I am in the produce section, and I see that the broccoli is $1.98 per pound. I wasn't sure how much broccoli is a pound of broccoli, so I grabbed a couple of spears and put them on the scale to see how much it weighed. You can see that it's like one pretty good size head of broccoli, and then like a decent head, a little small piece. And it turned out to be 1.2 pounds, which is $2.38. So, and then here we have the mustard greens. They are $1.48 per pound. This bundle right here, I didn't weigh it, but it's my guess that that's going to weigh at about 2 pounds. And most of that is stems. So usually people just rip the leaves off and they don't even eat those stems. So most of the weight is the stems. And then here you see the green leaf lettuce in the little plastic container, $2.97 for this pack. When I looked at that, that's about how much lettuce is on the plant that I just bought. So that's interesting. $2.97. I'm sure I'll be able to grow it that much 2 or 3 times. And here, $3.66 for the broccoli. $3.66. This is pre-packaged already. They have it portioned out. And then over here we have the collards are at $2.48 per pound. Same thing like with the other greens. It's already bundled up, but most of the weight is in the stems. Most of the weight is in the stems. So when I didn't weigh this, but I can tell by picking it up, it's about 2 pounds or better. And by the time you pull off all of the brown parts and pull off the stems, you don't have that much greens. So I think I did well to go ahead and just buy the plants, and I'm just showing you the produce section in Walmart. All the food looks good and healthy, but man, sometimes wonder about the food. So I'm going to be happy with my plant purchases and take them home and plant them and see if I can't get at least 2 or 3 helpings harvest off of those. I also got some ginger, and I'm going to be using that for tea and for cooking. This is my little food haul. And yeah, you can see back to the sorbet here. You can see where it has strawberries, sugar, some other few ingredients. Okay, that doesn't make me too happy, so I'm going to have to make some changes on that snack and make it myself. So I bought some blueberries, frozen blueberries. There's nothing in there except for what? Blueberries. And it's 70 calories for a full cup. So I'm going to cut a lot of calories by just making my own sorbet. Nothing to do but put these blueberries in the blender with some ice and blend it up. Same thing here. There's some mixed fruit. It's some strawberries, blueberries, and cherries. And that's all there is. There's nothing else in there, just the fruit. Perfect. 70 calories for a cup. Oh boy, I'm going to cut lots of calories here. Okay, after comparing my starter plant prices, which turned out to be about $48 because I got 2 of each of these veggies. When I compared it to the produce section, what I need to do is get these plants to produce at least 3 meals for me each. And if they do, then it will be definitely worth the price of $6 per flat. So let's see how we do. I'm just going to pray over these plants and plant them in the ground and believe God for the best, because I have to eat my greens and I have to stay healthy. Okay. Wish me the best.